Welcome back to another workout. In today's session, we will be working on our core as well as our cardio. Basically, we will be working on strengthening our core muscles and add in some cardio exercises to reduce the extra belly fat. There will be 4 circuits, and in each circuit there will be 3 workouts. Each workout will be of 40 seconds followed by 20 seconds of rest. The end exercise will be a cardio exercise to increase your blood flow. So let's start.
We will start with the first workout, which is V crunch. So let us go down onto the mat, support your upper body on your elbow and lift your leg straight up, bring it back down and then back up. Remember, with the core exercises, you should not rush. Rather, you should engage your core muscles and take it slow. If it is tough for you to start with, you can always bend your knees little bit and bring it down. Make sure you do not touch your heels to the ground. There should be a minimum of 2-inch gap between your heel and the ground. The next exercise will be plank rock. We'll take a plank position, your lower arm and elbow on the floor. Keep your back straight. What we have to do is to rock forward and backward. That's it. Forward and backward. Keeping your core tight, body and back straight. Keep your neck in a neutral position and look down. You can place your knees down if you feel difficulty in doing the exercise. Every time you go forward, you have to breathe in, and while you go back, you have to breathe out. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Keep going. Remember, your back should be straight. Now the cardio blaster, jumping jacks. Simple but a very effective workout to drive your heart rate up. So start with feet shoulder width apart. Just step out and in. Simultaneously, your hands will go up and down. You have to find a rhythm and pace your breathing. Keep going. Maintain your pace. Keeping your knees soft and slightly bent throughout. Both arms straight up and feel the work on your shoulder and back. Before starting the next circuit, you should repeat the entire circuit once again. Take a 20-second gap between every exercise. Take a 1-minute rest and then we will start the next 3 exercises of the second circuit. If you need, you can drink some water or wipe your sweat. Just get your body ready for the next exercise. The first exercise of the second circuit is going to be knee tucks, for which again you need to lie down on your back. Support your upper body with your palm, and all you need to do is to bring your knees in, close to your chest and straight back. Drive it in as much as you can. Breathe out and breathe in. You have to do this exercise for 40 seconds. Do not rush with the workout. Slow down the movement and you will engage your core muscle even more. Keep going. Last few seconds. We'll take a 20 seconds gap before the next exercise. The second exercise of this circuit will be plank up and plank down, which will work both on your core as well as your upper body. You just have to push up and go down. There should be a minimum hip movement. Keep your core tight and strong. You should always remember to keep your back straight. Last 10 seconds. Now let's go up onto your toes for the cardio blaster, which is wide squat cross. For this, what you need to do is wide squat and hop right back in with a crisscross. Down and cross. Make sure that you are stepping out wide every time. Remember to do this exercise for 40 seconds, and after a 20 seconds of gap, you can repeat the entire circuit once again.
I hope you must have enjoyed working out. Today I have dealt with 2 circuits, and the next 2 circuits we will be doing in next week. Till then, take care and keep working out.